Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know your plan limits, reset date, and overage cost so decisions are cost-aware. Next, scan devices to find top data consumers, streaming, backups, automatic updates, and pause or reschedule them. Once done, enable real-time tracking on your router or phone and set alerts at 75% and 90% of your allowance so you'll act before extra charges. This first step saves money and creates visibility. Making it measurable is why you'll avoid surprises later. You now optimize actively. Lower streaming quality to 720p or 480p when mobile. That cuts data dramatically without stopping viewing. Then reallocate heavy tasks. Schedule backups and OS updates for times you expect strong Wi-Fi or tether to unlimited connections. Make sure to set co-S rules or per-device bandwidth caps on your router so critical devices keep performance while background devices get throttled. This middle phase is detailed execution. Doing it methodically keeps apps functional while stretching. Finish by comparing projected usage against your remaining data. If you're over by more than 10%, buy an add-on or upgrade now to avoid high per GB fees. Also enable compression options where available, browser data savings, VPN compression, or reduced media bitrates to extract more from each GB. If things go wrong, check for rogue background syncs, a misconfigured device, or firmware causing constant transfers. Restarting the device and disabling suspicious apps usually reveals the culprit. This wrap-up prevents surprises and keeps costs down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.